use some tape to seal off the box a little more?
Yeah, like I said, it was older, and then I seen your car, so.
I have a January giveaway with Sky High. To enter, use discount code JacobVile at skyhighcardio.com for a chance to win this speaker swag package valued over $700. All details in description. Good luck and enjoy the video.
Ready? Go ahead.
112, 1 EVL, Scar EVL D212, C7, Crossfire 2K, bigger box than the 212s ran. It's got like 2.5, 3 cubes, something like that.
Okay.
Total with the L port in it.
So you put it back. It's louder when you put it back.
Yeah.
Okay. Did you build the box?
Yeah. Well, a long time ago. It was in
okay.
the shop.
I like your grounds too, man. Solid.
Yeah.
It might look ugly, but it works.
Yeah.
It's better than putting it somewhere. I've seen people put on seatbelt like holders and all too.
I ain't really worried about it looking pretty.
Yeah. And it's a Crossfire.
Crossfire C7 2K.
2K. Or one of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's on one right now.
What about your alternator? Stock?
Yeah, it's stock, but I had somebody from my town build it up. It's like a 120 or something. It was originally like a 90.
Okay.
He built it up a little bit.
All right. What is the meter?
The first time I metered it before I got it all tuned in and everything, it did a 138, 139, something like that.
Okay. And probably a little louder now?
Yeah, it's a little bit. I've been tuning on a little bit. I ain't metered it yet today, but
okay.
Probably get it in there tomorrow.
Yes, sir. What's your name?
Dustin.
Dustin. All right. Your bass knob? You got a little
LC1?
LC1?
It's just LC1. I broke all my other ones.
Okay. All right. Let's hear it. Like your doors. What's this?
DS18 EXLs.
Okay. 4-channel or just head unit power?
They're just on head unit right now.
All right.
I burnt my 4-channel.
Uh-oh. I say it likes the lows.
It was on 54 hertz. Now it's on about 32.
32. A lot more musical on the low end, but you lose the high end.
Yeah, I lost a good bit on the high end, but I was tired of playing with the highs.
Yes, sir. Got one more song?
Yeah, I got plenty on here.
DJ Rusticles?
Yeah, the 64 gig.
Okay. Hey, let her hear it. I'm gonna get some flex outside. Hey, Josh, you can sit in here for a minute. Let me get some outside flex.
The mold have a seat in the foyer. Take a number. I was lightning before the thunder. I'm smiling from the stage while you were crying in the nosebleeds.
Appreciate it, man.
Rob,
Can I see the trunk?
Yeah.
Just look at it, check it out. It's okay, man.
It's really too big.
Sometimes bigger is louder for smaller power.
Yeah, but I was slapping the deck lid, so I had to drop it.
Okay. Use some tape to seal off the box a little more?
Yeah, like I said, it was older, and then I seen your car, so
It helps. Every little bit helps.
surrounded the whole thing, keep from leaking off.
What vehicle is this?
It's a Pontiac G6.
Pontiac G6. Okay. All right. Thanks for the demo, man.
Appreciate it.
I like it.
But then later, I found out it was two in the same trophy, but the elite one was going to be a bigger trophy. I never got it. It was two in the same one. But I didn't know. But then later on, I
Oh my gosh.
Sabiendo que no estoy yo, no. El tiempo ha pasado, tu nombre lo tengo borrado. Ahora soy el feo, el malo, ahora soy peor, eso lo sé yo. Pero me siento cabrón porque hay otro a tu lado y ese no soy yo.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you, channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you, everybody, for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.